One of the easiest ways to make money online right now is actually using iron product reviews. You can literally get started right now without any experience and make $100 a day start by going to trialjasper.com and click this button up for a free account. Click on Documents, so that blog post, and then start from workflow in the blog post title and to the product name followed by review and do generate. You'll be told to click this button a few times for it's completely unique and at plagiarism free. Head over to Google Sites. This is completely free by the way. Click blank, then add a text box and paste them the blog Jasper created. Now you send your affiliate link to the product and click publish. Now all you need to do is repeat this process every day. This site has a special offer for you guys, and you will get 10,000 bonus points when you register with the link below. For more details, you will find the offer link in the description top right hand corner. If you like this short, subscribe to see all new shorts.